I'm Eddie, and we'll be walking you through Equip Online, an internet-based software application designed to train students in the skills, strategies and mindsets they need to succeed at school and beyond.
Welcome to the online component of the Equip Schools program. This program provides pastoral and academic support to the students that are in your care. To get started, we provided this video which will instruct you in how to use the system. To log in, simply enter your email address and password and click the login button here. As you click the login button, you'll be taken to what we call the Teacher Dashboard. The Teacher Dashboard gives you access to a number of pieces of information about all of your students. An effective way to find those students is to use the search that we've provided here. You can search for a student according to their name, their year group, their house, a particular subject area, or any other group you may have defined. We'll search for a student now according to their house grouping. Simply click the house drop-down and select the house you're interested in. Once you're done, click the Go button on the right-hand side. As you do so, the list is updated. You can see here Steve Newman has appeared. There are a number of tools provided for interacting with any given student. The first one is the dashboard, which will take you through to that student's view. Secondly, there's a progress report which you can print off. Following this, there's an ability to post a message to a student's wall that both the student and their parents can see. This orange icon is a similar feature, but for liaison between teachers or people pastorally responsible for that student within the school. This can be useful for logging information or notes concerning a student in a way that's only seen by other teachers or admin staff. This is quite helpful for noting any particular pastoral or academic issues a student faces. You can also book a mentoring session by using the Mentor tool. And if your school has enabled it, you can send a text message or SMS to a student. Let's take a look at the dashboard for Steve now. The dashboard provides students with an overview of how they're coping with school and the tasks they must complete. On the dashboard, students have access to their daily calendar, a graphical representation of their study and attitude, both for this week and the weeks that have come in the past, a list of any pending tasks that they might have, as well as a link to the Engage forum where students can discuss issues of significance. Beyond the dashboard within the student portal, you can also view a student's goals, their attitude, time, tasks, any specific subjects, co-curricular activities, engage with their wall or book a mentoring session, access resources, the Engage forum which we've mentioned, and modify info. More information about all of these features is contained within the Student User Guide. Returning to your dashboard now, let's find Steve Newman one more time by searching through the house search system. As we do so, we'll draw our attention to the second tool, which is a printable student progress report. As you click this, a new window opens with a print report button at the top right. You can print this report simply by clicking this button. This report would be great to take along to a parent night or any other interaction that you might have with a student or their parents. As you scroll down, you can see this student's goals, their attitude over time, the study that they've completed, any co-curricular activities they're involved in, as well as assessments and mentoring sessions that they've attended. Once you're done with this, simply close the window to continue. If you wanted to send a message to this student, you can click on this blue wall icon, which will take you directly to this student's wall. As you post a message here, it will be left for the student to see, as well as their parents. Once you're done writing the message, remember to click post so that it saves. If you want to leave a message for other teachers, click on this orange wall icon, which will take you to a teacher wall that is specific to each student and is only visible by school staff. The Equip Online software has the ability to manage a mentoring program that exists within a school. If you are a mentor, you can click the Settings button to modify your own settings and make yourself available as a mentor to students. Once you've made yourself available as a mentor in your settings, you can proceed to the mentoring section where you can set your availability. Here's one that we prepared earlier. Clicking this grey area, which indicates your availability, will bring up an editable area. This is exactly the same as when you create a new availability. Simply select the date and the time that you'd be prepared to meet with students. Optionally, you can also schedule an SMS or email reminder. When you're done, simply click Save to confirm. As you can see, the grey area here indicates your availability. On the next tab, it's possible to book a student by selecting a mentor to display their availability, which will show up here, and then by typing the student's name. As you do so, select a date and a time that correspond to this availability, and then press Save to confirm. The Equip software contains a range of resources that have been made available through the Equip book. To access these, click the Resources tab and open the folder that you need, and then select the file for download that you require. You can print these off or make copies as needed. Equip Online gives you the option to organise students according to a particular grouping. To establish a group, you need to go into your settings area. Let's set one up now. As you do so, click this plus button to add it to the list, and when you're done, click Save. Now when you return to your dashboard, you're able to search for a student according to a group. As you can see, this lunchtime group option has appeared here. So far though, no students belong to this group. To add students, we can use these tick boxes, select the group in the Add to Group drop-down, and then click the Add button. Now that we've done that, we are able to select Lunchtime Group from these student search parameters and click Go to view just the students that belong to that group. You can also use the Wall, Teacher Wall and SMS functions available here to message or interact with a whole group of students. If you want to update the personal information stored within the Equip software, click on the Settings page, then go to the Info tab. Here you can change your profile photo by clicking the Browse button and selecting the file you would like to upload, the house you're associated with, your mobile number, the email address that Equip related notifications are sent to, or even your password by entering your old password and then confirming the new password twice. You can also access a privacy policy that details the use of your information within the Equip system. Once you've done editing all of these details, simply click Save to confirm.